Bitcoin money in every practical sense is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $236.19 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,614,268,522 versus the in a real sense thought. Over the by and large past in every practical sense, barely any years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out assort major areas of strength for of in the worldwide monetary world and generally are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, or so they truly thought. A few institutional financial backers even fundamentally consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Retail financial backers and brokers for the most part are keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH on the grounds that this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources basically have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat truly brief timeframe incredibly. These profits truly are out of reach in sort of different business sectors, which generally is the justification for why most extremely moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones basically give a critical piece of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which generally is genuinely huge. At this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $236.19, where it as of now certainly sits in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, BCH for the most part is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 18th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the very metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a truly significant manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization generally remains at $4,614,268,522. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be in every practical sense made sense of later in a truly significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation by and large is planned in lovely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently survey the condition of their portfolio and explicitly choose whether or not it fundamentally needs to basically be reconfigured, or so they sort of thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in every practical sense is somewhat crucial for the truly right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its fundamentally present and future bearing, or so they generally thought. Beneath you will generally find certainly key extracts of this authentic information with the goal that you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market especially is going. Yesterday, on October 19, BCH in every way that really matters was esteemed at $227.18 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. For the most part recall that digital currencies truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an extremely significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 3.83% in an in every practical sense, significant way. 7 days prior, on October 13, Bitcoin money for the most part was exchanged at $213.89 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every practical sense, near its fundamentally present position. Especially further appearance how by and large retail financial backers and brokers especially are really keen on digital currencies, exceptionally, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources basically have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately especially brief timeframe. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. On September 20, which truly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $219.10, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 7.80% from where it as of now in a real sense remains in an unobtrusive way. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which generally is very critical. Market capitalization truly is another significant by and large metric that truly helps dealers sort of decide the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a significant manner. It's likewise used to explicitly evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money truly holds inside the whole digital currency market in an especially huge manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization fundamentally is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to in a real sense is duplicated by its kind of current cost in a by and large significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH in a real sense remains at $4,614,268,522, enough to name it the 18th sort of the biggest coin on the digital money market, which certainly is very huge. Yesterday, on October 19, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money by and large remained at $4,438,087,388 incredibly. 7 days prior, on October 13, the capitalization of BCH in every practical sense was $4,177,202,254 in an especially significant manner. A month prior, on September 20, how much most certainly capital streaming around this really specific market certainly added up to $4,274,420,142 versus the explicitly thought. Most digital currency financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an actually certain cryptographic money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances, which in a real sense are the truly normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Enormous cap the especially greatest stock of Bitcoin money, sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The exceptionally complete inventory of BCH as of now remains at 19,536,469 coins. The coursing supply of the cryptographic money under survey basically is 19,536,469 BCH in an unpretentious manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't be certainly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it's the especially metric utilized by essentially all digital currency merchants to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, showing how the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 3.83%. Which for the most part is very huge. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain explicitly is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there explicitly is a high likelihood that this move in a real sense is impractical and would really bring about a bullish snare. Showing that this Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, exhibiting how the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 3.83%, which is very huge. Thusly, it means a lot to sort of examine the past and the in every practical sense current exchanging volume of BCH request to sort of comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, or so they for the most part thought. Throughout recent hours, the